You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more food names, including Mexican food names that too many people get wrong and mispronounce. Pan Dulce. Dulce is how they would say it in Mexico, and considering those are Mexican pastries, that makes sense. Now in Spain, they would say pan dulce, dulce, with th for the C there as a th sound, dulce. But in Mexico, pan dulce, Mexican breads meaning sweet bread, pan meaning bread, dulce meaning sweet. And now you know it all, I think. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.